this video about Drake. I've been, just reviewing his latest album, and I've been, really taking a look at how, at the beef or whatever, the rap battle, and the whole situation, Drake getting his bodyguard shot. And, I think that could be a blood sacrifice that Drake did just to take, just to blame it on Kendrick. See what I'm saying? Because either way, Kendrick definitely killed Drake with the beef. And now, it's not just between these rappers, it's Universal Music Group, and these big wigs, you know what I'm saying? The people who actually own the industry, you know what I'm saying? Revelation 29 and 39. They call themselves it, but they're not, you know what I mean? Jesus told us they're the synagogue of Satan. You see what I'm saying? So, because if, and you guys know that Drake is one of them, you know what I mean? So, he's backed by them, and they're like trying to right now bully Kendrick into not releasing any more ammo, you know what I mean? Because Drake just accepted $400 million from Universal Music Group, and I think he got to put out like 2 albums a year for them. That was the contract and stuff. So they're fighting now against Kendrick legally, threatening him and everything like that, because they don't want their asset, their investment, Drake image now to get messed up. But the truth of the matter is, you know what I mean, that's not real hip-hop when you got these big wigs on the top with investment, you know what I mean, controlling things. Real hip-hop is, it's not controlled by people on the top with money, and that's what seems to be happening. But either way, Kendrick just he killed Drake. Yeah, man. But listen, in this video, while I'm actually making this video, is as I was reviewing Drake's album, and I got to the first person shooter song that he did with J. Cole, and I'm just listening, right? And it sounds like he said he got like 20 tings in his phone that basically he could call, right? And I'm gonna try to edit this video and actually put the screenshots of the lyrics that I took on here. Hopefully I could figure out how to do that just on my phone and with the YouTube video editor. But the lyrics, when I looked up the lyrics, it didn't say tings, of course, but it sounded exactly like tings when Drake actually said it on the record. But the lyric says tings, not teens. tings, Tings. So I actually did some research on that too, and the regular definition for tings is just like a sound of a bell. So it's not something you can see, it's something that you can hear. And Drake said he see 20 tings in his phone when he goes through his contacts. So I looked up the urban definition of tings, and it actually says that it has a Caribbean meaning for a girlfriend, right? But it's a more derogatory term than girlfriend. It actually would just be equivalent to the word hoe or thought, right? So tings, it means things but without the H. So you're just calling women things or calling them tings, But like I said, if you listen very, very closely with a musical ear, okay, to me, Drake clearly said teens. And yeah, man, the devil does all the thing, all the time. He covers up, the truth with something else. See what I'm saying? But you guys take a listen to his track for yourself and tell me if it don't say teens. And this is Drake's most recent album. First shooter person track, the shooting, that's a whole nother story. But, so this man is like, 36, 37 right now. And he's basically saying, like I said, it doesn't sound like tings or things, teens. He has 20 teens if you listen closely. And so he's telling people, straight up. And like I said, that's what Satan always put it in the public view, but it's basically hidden in plain sight. So, like I said, as I was reviewing his album, just to listen to it, because I like to, listen to a wide variety, not because I'm a Drake fan at all. I'm not whatsoever, you know what I mean? But I like to just review the material and see what it is. You see what I'm saying? Not even trying to, expose him or nothing like that, but there's so much to expose him on, you know what I mean? Like, with him trying to be gangster and everything. And he's saying he got mob ties, but I will say this, the Jewish mafia is a real thing. And like I said, they control the industry. And so, Drake definitely has connections. The word Drake itself, it means dragon, you know what I mean? So we definitely know Drake is of the devil. And but you guys listen to the song if you want, and just tell me it don't sound like teens, not things or tings, but teens. He said he got 20 teens in his phone that he could basically just call. But he's a celebrity, so of course he got more than 20 women in his phone, right? But maybe he only got 20 teens. Drake exposed.